So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the series of some basics lectures on CSS and other competitive exams preparation. Today, this is the first lecture of this kind. We will be having more lectures as well. CSS, Central Superior Services. Central because it is federal service. Superior because you are giving superior services to people and you are yourself also a superior person. Then we have PMS, Provincial Management Services, and we have PCS, Provincial Civil Services. In KP, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab, they call it PMS, while in Sindh and Balochistan, they call it PCS, Provincial Civil Services. And then we have PSC, Public Service Commission. So PSC, Public Service Commission, they announce a lot of posts in different departments, but usually those are not so competitive as these general exams of CSS, PMS and PCS. How to start preparation from the zero? Number one, you should have your syllabus in your hand. There are 12 subjects for the written part, and then you have Viva of 300 marks, while 1200 marks are the written exam. You have 600 marks compulsory and you have 600 marks optional. Don't be in a hurry to decide your optional subjects. It needs a lot of consideration, a lot of thinking, and when you think more and more and then you read past papers and you connect your optional subjects to your interests, to your past experiences and your courses that you have done in university. So when all these things are combined, then we have the final decision of optional subjects. I am available for any discussion on your optional subjects through WhatsApp. You will give me a short list after critical thinking, clear thinking that which subject is closer to your interest and experiences. And then I will also give my feedback and then we will finally decide it. About the syllabus, it is already available everywhere on Federal Public Service Commission, FPSC website. Today I gave you notes, so in the notes also the link has been given. You can just write in Google and you get the syllabus. It is not a big problem. When you are selecting your optional subjects, so decide which subjects are not totally, absolutely, these are not for you. For example, if you are an art student, so you can never think to take chemistry or physics or mathematics or statistics or geology. So first cut all the subjects which are not relevant to you. Then a limited number of subjects will be available and then you start selecting 600. Other subjects are scoring or not scoring. It is a myth. And sometimes people, they do not, they take one subject. So many people fail in that one subject. So that's why people think that there is a scoring or non-scoring kind of subjects. If you are well prepared, you are professionally prepared, so then there will be no problem of scoring for you in any subject that you take. About the other dimensions like how you will be starting your preparation. So number one is your English language. You should have an excellent command over your English. No grammatical mistakes, proper spellings, proper punctuation marks, and you should have ideas, you should have information so that you can write something and you can run a topic. A lot of practice is required so that you become a skillful person in your competitive exams. You know, the name is competitive because 20,000 people, they usually apply for CSS and only 200 usually are selected. So you cannot be in the 19,800 people. you can be only in the 200 persons. So it's a huge competition. And the whole country, because there is joblessness, there is unemployment, so that's why you have to be competent and competitive as well as communicative to get the to grab the final positions. So please write a comment that I must have 3 C's to become an officer. 3 C's, C, ABC. I should have 3 C's to be an officer. Number 1, competitive. Number 2, competent. And number 3, competition. Number 3, communication. So you must be communicative, competent, and competitive. You have to compete with your own self also. Competition with yourself means that how were you yesterday and how are you today? Is your today better than yesterday? How it will be better? If you have some new information, some new ideas, some good feelings, and you feel better, you have more knowledge, more data, more information, more grammar rules, more facts and figures, more statistics, more reading, more writing, so then you will be better than the yesterday. So this was the first short lecture on how to start preparation for competitive exams, especially for 2025, 26, 27. And please go through the notes where all these questions have been solved. If you have any question, further questions, so please let me know. Thank you very much.